Hi there, and welcome to today's edition of Gigi Explains It All, in which I explore technology integration with Adobe Creative Cloud Express, a digital portfolio tutorial. One of the guiding principles for today's tutorial comes from the U.S. Department of Education's Office of Educational Technology. Focus on the active use of technology to enable learning and teaching through creation, production, and problem solving. Today's tutorial will explore digital portfolios with Adobe Creative Cloud Express, a cloud-based, creativity-driven technology platform. As we focus on the creation aspects of technology integration, Balaban revealed that digital portfolios or electronic portfolios provide opportunities for learners to express themselves and showcase their learning experiences digitally, which can provide benefits beyond the classroom to potential employers. First, I will provide a brief overview of creating an Adobe Creative Cloud Express account. Under the Teacher or Student option, click the Login with School Account option. You will then see a blue Create an Account option under the Sign In. Click on this link to create your free account with your educational institution's email address. Once you have completed this process, you should see the Adobe Creative Cloud Express landing page. Feel free to explore the wealth of creative templates available to you once you have created your account. We will be using the web page option in Adobe Creative Cloud Express to create our digital portfolio. Click on the purple and white Create New Project icon in the upper left-hand corner. Now click on Web Page to begin. You should now see the home screen of your page. The Web Page function in Adobe Creative Cloud Express can serve many purposes. Still, in my experience, using this platform serves as an ideal outlet for students to create digital portfolios. They can either stick with the basics of an assignment requirement or take advantage of the creative options. I will walk you through creating your portfolio to familiarize you with the Adobe Creative Cloud Express web page components. I have found that students appreciate customized examples in which they get to learn more about their instructor during the learning process. Okay? So click on the title and subtitle options to add a title and subtitle to your portfolio. Click on the photo icon to add a background image to your home screen. You will notice that there are several options to select from when adding a photo. But to keep things simple for this tutorial, click on the Find Free Photo option to search and choose your background image. Your home screen should now be complete with your title, subtitle, and background image. You also have the option of changing the appearance of your web page by selecting Themes, or you can continue with the default theme. To continue, scroll down to reveal the web page components that you can use to develop your digital portfolio further. Okay. One of the unique characteristics of the Adobe Creative Cloud Express web page is the numerous options to customize each segment of your web page. First, the split layout allows you to add information in a column-like display. As you can see in this example, I've added images on one side and text and a video on the other side. The glide light layout allows you to simultaneously add multiple photos to your web page, creating a glide-like scrolling appearance. You can also add text, videos, and links on top of your gliding images. The photo grid is similar to the glide layout in that you are also adding multiple images, but instead the photos are presented in a grid formation on your web page. Using the video component, you can add videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and other Creative Cloud Express products directly to your web page. The button function gives you the ability to add customized links to other internet-based resources. There are also several options to format your text to emphasize different elements of your web page when adding text. Adding additional photos to your web page can be customized to create a unique focal experience from the placement on your web page. Your students will be able to share their digital portfolios with you through email or by creating a link to share on an assignment. I included a digital portfolio sample that further illustrates each web page component. Feel free to take your time to explore this artifact as it relates to each web component, and you can explore it in further detail. Here is an example of how an assignment using Adobe Creative Cloud Express can be implemented on your LMS, such as Google Classroom, Canvas, or Neo. One tip that I found helpful when creating an assignment for my students using the web page was to include specific components for a required element, such as using a split layout to provide their dream job and a description with video. To further explore more technology integration resources to use with Adobe Creative Cloud Express, check out the Adobe Education Exchange, which provides more teaching resources, professional learning opportunities, and access to a community of educators. I also included links to all of the resources used in this tutorial, along with several others that might be helpful in your walk towards integrating technology in your classroom. Thank you for taking the time to explore technology integration through Adobe Creative Cloud Express, a digital portfolio tutorial. I hope that you take the time to explore the Adobe educational ecosystem to implement in your classroom. And remember to take advantage of its support system through the Adobe Education Exchange. Thank you, and Mimsy out.